Hello friends, this is Rajdeep. Welcome to Learning Insight for UGC NET JRF Social Work Paper 2. Discuss करेंगे historical development of social work in India, and in my previous video I have discussed the historical development of social work in UK and USA. So if you have not seen my earlier videos, then please watch these videos. You will get the link in my description box. So this is our video number 4, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe it because you will get all the materials, study materials for NET JRF preparation in social work. So let's start with the historical development of social work profession in India. Remember, the development of social work in India started with the social service, social welfare activities, and the contribution of social reformers also. So the growth and development of social work is related to social welfare, social reform, and social upliftment. The nature of social service in ancient India is called charity. So during the ancient times, the social service is called the charity. Upanishad also prescribe everyone should practice charity service. The most popular mass rituals in Vedic days, yagnas, is a social welfare activities. So most popular mass rituals in Vedic days was the welfare activities, and that is also known as yagnas. That is known as social welfare activity. The Ashwagandha Griha Sutra says one must daily perform Panchayagnas, means one must do the 5 social welfare activities every day, and that was giving service to God and sister, first one. Then second one, giving service to animals, giving service to one own self, and giving service to one's fellow man. Now next slide. Evolution of Buddhism changed the character of Indian society by promoting change from tribal agrarian settlement to a class-based agrarian society. So Buddhism bring the change the character of Indian society by what they do, they by promoting change from agrarian base, means tribal agricultural society, to a class-based agrarian economy. Now, Kutilla recorded the social and political activities of the king Ashoka in his book Arthashastra, which mentioned the duties of king towards his subject, that means the citizens. So Kutilla recorded the duties of king, and this duties of the king was written in his book that is called Arthashastra, and where he mentioned that duties of kings toward his subject, that means citizens. Now, Kanishka 78 AD gave liberal donations and grants for the construction of learning centers such as Buddhist, Bihars, Montessori's, and Sutupas. So, Kanishka also has given the donation and grants for the construction of learning centers, means education centers such as the Buddhist, Bihars, Montessori's, and Sutupas, etc. The first Muslim king Humayun's prohibited sati system. So sati system was prohibited by the first Muslim king, and his name was Humayun. Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 19th century showed sheet towards the abolition of sati. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 19th century to his work towards the abolition of sati system, and he also favored widow remarriage, female education, economic self-reliance, women education, and prohibition of polygamy marriage. So other than abolition of sati, he has also has favor for the widow remarriage, female education, economic self-reliance, women education, and prohibition of polygamy. Now, the Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar is the second great social reformer of 19th century who advocate for widow remarriage, economic self-reliance, women education, and prohibition of polygamy marriage. So Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar also given focus and advocated for this area. Bal Shastri Jambekar was the first professor at Elphinstone College, Bombay, who commended the evil cost of sati, female infanticide, and trafficking among female children. So Bal Shastri Jambekar, also first professor of Elphinstone Bombay College, and he commended for the evil custom of sati, female infanticide, and trafficking among female children. Shashipada Banerjee, a Bengal reformer, worked for the cause of women's education and widow remarriage. Shashipada Banerjee is a Bengal reformer, and he worked for women education and widow remarriage. N.M. Joshi and N.G. Chandavekar established Bombay Social Service Link. So Bombay Social Service Link was established by N.M. Joshi and N.G. Chandra Vakar. The first school of social work established in Bombay in 1936 as Sir Dorabji Tata Graduate School of Social Work, and now it's known as Tata Institute of Social Science, that is TIS Bombay. So this is the turn of social work education institution in India. Now this school of social work is known as Tata Institute of Social Work, Bombay, and in the beginning of Tata Graduate School of Social Work used to award a postgraduate diploma in social service administration. So remember, in the beginning time, the social they are not providing professional social work courses. Rather, they provide postgraduate diploma in social service administration. The school got recognition by the University Grant Commission in the year 1964. So this school got recognition in the year 1964. Consequently, and the diploma course has converted into master's course in social work in the academic year 1964 to 1965. So after that only diploma course converted into the master degree course, and then only they provided social work education, MSW or master MA in social work in the year 1964 to 1965. So after 1936, other institutions like Department of Social Work, that was University of Delhi, that was started in the year 1946. The Department of Social Work, Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapit University, that was started in the year 1947. Faculty of Social Work, MS University of Baroda, that was started in the year 1950. Gradually, Indore School of Social Work, Indore, that was started in the year 1952. Madras School of Social Work, that was started in Chennai in the 1952. And College of Social Work, Nirmala Niketan, Mumbai, that was started in the year 1955. Udaipur School of Social Work, Janardhan Rai Nagar, Rajasthan Vidyapit, that was started in the year 1959. Kirby Institute of Social Science, Pune, that was started in the year 1960. Department of Social Work, Loyola Department of Social Work, Loyola College of Social Sciences, that was started in the year 1960. The Department of Social Work, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, started in the year 1967. Also, the Department of Social Work, Assam University, that is Central University in Silchar, that was started offering social work in the year 1997, and this institute was the first institute in the Northeast that offered social work courses. So also they also beginning the social work education and training, and slowly this emerged in the whole India, and now the number of private and government semi-government institute also started offering social work course in India. So this is all about. In the next video we'll discuss the contribution of social reformers in 19th and 20th century in the development of professional social work in India. So अगर वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा होगा then please do like and share with your friend as well, so that I get motivated. And thanks for watching.